sit like this after a point of time. I only get पाँव ऊपर करना है क्या?
Then we saw you in Satya, and that was a role that earned you a Critics' Choice Award.
And they announced my name. I was like, no, this can't be. And for me, it was bigger than the best supporting actor.
Like, how did Ram Gopal Verma find Shefali Shah for us?
So,
are there days that you ever in your life, ever one day, have you not felt like acting? Self-awareness also comes with, very acutely aware कि क्या मैं खुद true हूँ, okay? And that I have seen in some actors who are great actors could also destroy you. Where are you at on this?
more to the other side. Love is very different when you're 18 and 20 and 25 and 28. He's so caring, he'll tell me exactly what to wear. After some time, that's not going to be like that. For it, I decided to get married and have babies. Okay, so when it's dropping, when it released, I was full-blown pregnant. So there was no plan of action. And my kids had moved out by then. So I was like, suddenly I didn't have a purpose. I didn't have anything to do. One of the most important parts of an actor is to react. It's this constant thing of, what if this is my last one? What if I never get offered something even more beautiful than this? It's constantly that. It's one of those things that I keep, when people ask me, what do you want to tell youngsters? I want to say, beta, matlab, apna hi jo karna hai karo, meri baat mat suno. But like, you take your work seriously, you don't take yourself seriously.
Did you at that time just say no?
I never got the offers of a heroine.
My plan for this interview was very different. I was supposed to sit differently. I was supposed to be extremely articulate. But then, इन्हें मिलते ही, I think मेरी जो fangirl है वो फुट के बाहर आ जाती है. And it happens every time to me. I'm a huge fangirl of Shefali Shah. And I'm so happy that I get to sit down and actually talk to her one-on-one, because we've met before in spaces which are promotionals, and of course we've done a good job, we're doing that job. But today I think is a conversation that might be very special for you also, my dear viewer, because just like me, you are just too filmy. Welcome, Shefali Shah.
Hi.
Okay, so let's get this straight. Thank you so much for allowing us to sit like this.
Are you crazy? If people sit like this after a point of time, I only get पाँव ऊपर करना है क्या?
अरे क्या बात है? This is
but like
amazing.
This is very easy.
No, this is also us. This is us.
This is us. Exactly.
हम हिंदुस्तानी ऐसे बैठते हैं.
Absolutely.
बिल्कुल.
And when you want to, like, it's very pakao, yeah, sitting. There's only this much you can do that. Then it's like, मतलब chill करके बात करते हैं ना.
Why has the world not had more of your unfiltered glory over the last, so many years? Why you choose when you want to meet us, and I respect that, but we've missed out on this realness.
I know. This time is the first time I've really enjoyed the promotions.
Yeah.
Like, normally I go like, oh God, no, I don't want. Because also after the third person who interviews you, they're asking the same questions.
Correct.
And honestly, the junket that they planned was very like, matlab, iska kya fayda hua? Because there are 5 of us sitting together.
Yeah.
You ask a question. By the time all 5 of us have answered, aapka time khatam ho gaya, it's. But I really am enjoying this.
I'm glad.
I'm really enjoying
because
this.
we are loving talking to you.
Thank you. And also, I have been living under a rock. And I have a team. See that one part of the team is sitting there. And they've really
Yeah.
Actually, when I told Ria, I have to tell you this, okay? So every time we sat, we have these monthly meetings. First of all, the longest time I didn't have any for social media. I didn't have, I had some, some Ram Bharose chal raha. Then I got these guys last December. Yeah, around the same time. Yeah,
Wow.
last December. Okay. Then we had meetings. Then I said, listen, I don't want to go anywhere. I will not be seen anywhere. I will only come out when I have the film to be released or something, and then I don't want to go.
Yeah.
So they were like, okay. Everything they came to me, I said, no, now I'll have to dress up. Everything I've said no. First time when DC was going to release, and they were like, would you consider? I said, ha, okay, let's do it. They went mental.
Yeah.
Like they were like suddenly, ye karna, ye karna. I was like, 1 minute, we can't force people to talk to me. They were like,
Not at
nobody's
all.
forcing. They all want to talk to you.
They are dying to talk to you.
And I was like, acha, okay, maybe why? And anyway, so I'm so glad I did it. This is the
I'm
first
so
time
glad.
I've really enjoyed it.
No, I'm glad because, as I said, it's rare to meet someone who's such an accomplished actor who honestly takes herself very, very lightly. And I love that because I'm a lot like that because I think that we're meant to do great things, sure. That's
Yeah.
a given.
Yeah.
But how do we make other people feel?
And also, you know, that it's one of those things that I keep, when people ask me,
Mm.
what do you want to tell youngsters? I want to say, beta, matlab, apna hi jo karna hai karo. Meri baat mat suno.
Yeah.
But you can't take yourself, like you take your work seriously. You don't take yourself seriously.
Yeah.
In terms of, it's very pakao.
I love it.
Yeah, and
I
you're
love it,
living
yeah.
in your whole cocoon of I am Mahan. Arey, calm down, guys. Seriously, like
I agree.
go easy.
And she said
Chill.
Pakao like such a Bombay girl because she is. She's like a Santa Cruz chick, man.
Yes.
Like you grew up in this city and
Yes.
this city loves you back like so much. Even though it's Delhi crime, it's amazing to see the hoardings. It's amazing to see, and we've spoken about this in the promotionals, that I'm glad that a show like this even gets made. The reception has been incredible.
Yeah.
I think this
Truly.
for Delhi Crime 3 कुछ अलग ही wave आपको लगा?
Yeah. It's gone totally like, you know, every alternate day or every day,
Yeah.
Tanuj and me are messaging. Is like, what happened, girl? What happened? I'm like, what happened, boy? What have you done?
Yeah.
It's like, what have we done? And it's really gone off the roof.
Yeah.
Really. Like, it's just hit it out of the park.
It's amazing. So we spoke enough about Delhi Crime. I want to actually go back to that girl, you know, so many years ago, who never wanted to be in the movies, got a chance to do theatre, and then, of course, appeared on the screens. And my earliest memory of you might remember, I spoke about this, was, of course, we saw you in Rangila. Let's talk about that girl, you know, where Stephen Seagal comes and says, ki char baal, sirf char baal. What were you then as an actor?
I think I didn't know my elbow from my ass. I was just doing my own thing. I thought, which I think is still retained, that I do everything I do is very instinctive and impulsive. It's a spontaneous, it's not tutored or choreographed or taught or learned. I probably would have been better if I had gone to some school, but I did not. And it was nice at that point of time because I was completely, like, I was living in my own la-la land, very blissfully unaware of what should be, what shouldn't be, how important it is for something to work for you, etc., etc. I was totally in my own.
But
la-la
Ramu
land.
obviously knew that you were a great actor. He's a classic case of a management, person. Where he looked at you, he said, you know, in this one, I'll try her out in this one, but I know what's coming for her.
I didn't know that though. I mean, was it?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
No, I don't know.
That's the way I looked at it because, and then we saw you in Satya, and that was a role that earned you a Critics' Choice Award.
Yes.
So, do you remember, like, I want to know what happened at that time. Like, how did Ram Gopal Verma find Shefali Shah for us?
So, I don't even remember how Rangila happened. And I went to shoot for it. And then I realized that it's either I have understood the whole role and film wrong, or it wasn't told to me clearly. Either ways, it was not what I went in thinking it would be. I think I got a little confused. You know, between the character being a star and me being a star, like some random nonsense. And I asked Ramu to, you know, excuse me out of the rest of the scenes, etc. I shot for like 2 days. And that was the end of it. I didn't even want to go and watch the film. After some time, Manoj and we were very close at that point of time. And Manoj was doing Satya.
Yeah.
And he said, you know, Ramu sir wants to talk to you about this part, wants you in this part, but he doesn't know whether you will do it. So I said, of course I would. I mean, if it's a good part. So he sent Anurag to narrate what it was exactly. Because he was like, you go and tell her exactly what it is.
Taking with confusion now.
No confusion now. And I said, yeah, okay, I'll do it. And then it was a bunch of all of us together who were all raw. We didn't have any film background. We just completely like, and we were just enjoying doing what we were doing.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
and it was completely like let go and complete abandon and just
Correct.
freaked out. And that is how it happened. And again, like I said, I was blissfully unaware. Today, when I look back, I realized that that was a cult film. I
Yeah.
didn't realize it at that point of time. I mean, I registered because people said, "Arey, what a cult," and
Achhi
all
film
that.
hai,
So I was
yeah.
like, okay, great. But I really didn't understand the magnitude of what
How
that
big
film
it'll
was.
be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I did not. So I was nominated for supporting actor, which I thought was matlab 7 minute ke role ke liye who nominates, but I was like, oh my
Yeah.
god. Obviously, I went knowing that I'm not going to win. It's not possible. So I've gone, they announced the best supporting actor. I didn't win. And then I was like, acha chalo, now I should go. But somebody was performing. So I said, I can't just get up like samne se walk away. So I was sitting now, obviously sad and whatever. And then they were announcing the critics' choice and they announced my name. I was like, no, this can't be. And for me, it was bigger than the best supporting actor. I
Of
was
course.
like, what?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
happened here? And I mean, it was just,
It's so beautiful.
it was
because-
just so lovely.
Yeah. And that slap, it's been talked about multiple times. I just hope you know that in that moment, you claim space for so many women who were first never represented on the screen as whole women. Because ये जो दर्जा है, okay, of our society, it's often looked as कि ते भांडतात, ते असं करतात, but I think the revolution there was that even a woman who may not be sitting in spaces like we do
Yeah.
has the right to her body and her husband's if she feels like.
Yeah.
And I just felt that that was super revolutionary.
It was, and it was very beautiful because it was like the first time, not the first, actually, it is, the thought that I had when I did that was, I don't know if you're going to come back alive. And that is my fear.
Yes.
So
of
when you
course.
go, I don't know if you'll come back alive that day.
Yeah.
And that is where it comes from. That is where she's angry. That is where her anger comes from.
Correct.
And obviously that comes from the fact that she loves him and she can't imagine her life without him. But I thought it was so beautiful. It was so raw.
Yeah.
It was just so raw. There was nothing.
I want to see you and Manoj again.
I know. I would love to do something with Manoj. Manoj, in fact, recently did a film with Vipul.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So I
Lovely.
was like, I would love to do something with him.
Yeah, guys, make this happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
People who are sitting and watching my videos, like, please, yeah, ये क्या मतलब कमाल हो जाएगा? Because both of you have had such a wonderful journey, and I feel like you are the artists who, and I've been your witness. I mean, more than anything else, I remember, we watched Hasrate, and I will never forget Savi because I was very invested. I was like, Savi के साथ क्या हो रहा है? रोज हम लोग देखते थे, What did the time in the TV or television industry teach you really?
It taught me relentless hours of work and just giving it the best every single time.
Yeah.
Because TV can be very, very grueling.
Yeah.
And it was, luckily though, when I was doing television, there was the shows, the stories, they had a beginning, middle and end. They weren't just like going on
Endless.
forever. And then suddenly they felt, अच्छा ये ट्रैक नहीं चल रहा है, इस कैरेक्टर को मार
डालते हैं
मतलब it was like like, and which I didn't understand, because if I have said yes to this, I've said yes on the basis of what I read. If you decide to change it somewhere, that's not fair.
100%.
So I was very lucky to be a part. And like Hasrate, there was Banegi Apni Baat, there was Tara,
Saas.
there was Darar, all these, and they were such wonderful,
shows.
There was Selab
Yeah.
and Mrignayani. Like, I remember all these shows, Shanti, and there was such amazing shows, and a lot of them were again women oriented.
Yeah.
So it was great, but it was very, very, it was hard work.
Yes.
It wasn't,
Yeah.
there wasn't luxury. I think that's why I can be easygoing wherever I am, because I wasn't born with a vanity van.
Yeah.
It's just that now I realize the value of certain things, and I realize that those aren't luxuries, they are necessities.
Correct.
But I think that is what
Yeah.
taught me when I was doing that.
Yeah. I remember that phase so clearly, and that's why I keep saying that, I'm one of your first witnesses, man. Like, it means a lot. And then, of course, You've gone on to do many things after that. I thought we'll go chronologically today, just to like walk down memory lane.
Okay.
I'm going to go into a very personal film for you, and that is Darya Choro.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Many reasons why you love this film.
Yes.
Apart from the fact that the film won a state award, ladies and gentlemen.
This
is
won the
also-
state award for the film, actor, actress, and director.
So everything.
Yes.
You were the lead in this film, so
Yes.
you won that award as well.
Yes.
But it was also special for another reason.
Yes.
What is that reason, Shivali Shah?
So I met Vipul. I knew Vipul before that. Knew matlab like I knew, acha, haan, there is this director. Because we were in Gujarati theatre, right?
Yeah.
And strangely, I said no for every single thing he had offered me. Every single thing. All the plays he offered me, I said no. All the shows he made, I said no. Even this, I went with the intention of saying no only. Ki, no, I'm not going to do it. I can't see myself doing this. And he convinced me on the basis of, we're going to be shooting in one of the most beautiful locations in the world.
Yeah.
I believed him. And we were shooting in Alang and a chota chunk in Ahmedabad and all these places. And during the making of that film, I saw a part, I saw, qualities of a man I never imagined a man would have. And he was so grounded, so rooted. And the best quality about him was he cared for everyone on set.
Yeah.
He genuinely did. I remember the first time I was going, okay? He had obviously left before. And we didn't even we weren't friends or anything. So he just called and he said, Shefali, you're coming. Can you just pick up a parcel from my house? Have I told you this?
No.
Okay, so I said, okay. And I went and picked up, and then I was joking that, what are you making me? Like, you're using me as a mule.
Am I a mule?
Yeah,
Yes.
You're treating me like a mule. What am I carrying? And he was like, no, I just want you to carry some money from my house. Because over there, the producer wasn't giving good food to the unit. So he was like, I'm not going to fight for this nonsense. I'm just going to
To લઈને આવો પૈસા ત્યાંથી
હું કરી લઈશ.
હું કરી લઈશ.
હું મારી રીતે હું કરી લઈશ. અને there was, like he would know if the spot dada was unwell. He would say, nahi, aaj usko chutti dena. Let him be. How is he doing? And which I thought was a great quality.
So true.
It was and it meant that there was somebody who cared, not depending on the name, fame, stature of the person. He just cared.
Yeah.
And, he took people with him. And he had a crazy sense of humor.
Yeah.
I remember we were shooting in Ahmedabad. It was our last day of shoot. And there was Vikram Gokhale. Vikramji was there. And there was something that happened and he had to go back. And, Vipul was like, JD was in the show, in the film. So he told JD, I can't leave the set. You go and drop him and whatever. And we are all very stressed that ek to is film mein paisa nahi hai. This is the last day of shoot, this bungalow we have. How are we, what are we going to do now? All of us are really stressed. Suddenly I see this man, he's like, acha chalo patte khelte hain. And he's sitting in the lawn and deciding to play cards with it. He was so chill about it.
How lovely.
And I thought that was amazing. That was just, in crisis, if somebody can keep their cool like this, I think it's really amazing. And I think that's where I kind of,
I'm so glad.
fell in love.
Yeah, I'm so glad. Thank you
Yeah.
for your openness about it, because I feel like today's women, okay, we are a very unique generation. We're the first generation of women in the history of time to not have to get married, to not have to have babies, to make our own money. We have the option of not being with someone, which is a true option.
Yeah.
And I still feel that because love is such a strong, potent, powerful emotion, these are the stories or the reasons why we need to propagate that. Because अभी ऑप्शन हो गया है, आपको जरूरत नहीं है, but प्यार बहुत अच्छी चीज है.
It is, but also, love is very different when you're 18 and 20 and 25 and 28. It keeps changing, and you yourself don't know what that version of love is.
Sure. Yeah.
So if you have if you start very early, let's say you kind of clicked with somebody in college, by the time you've grown a little older, you realize, okay, this exact stuff, what I really thought worked is not right. Or you're like, oh, he's so caring, he'll tell me exactly what to wear. After some time, that's not going to be like that.
It's not going to work, yeah.
It's not going to work.
Yeah.
So I think also you need to figure that out. So,
Yeah.
that's why I keep saying that until you're dead sure, don't do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it's a very big commitment and it's a lot of work. It's not cakewalk.
People also look at partnerships and real love as power moves. And I feel that the two of you are not this at all.
Yeah.
And I want to ask you, what's the secret of that? Because bahar se main dekhu to, yaar, Shefali, we would love to see you in everything. But I feel like there is a sense of something else which is higher, which keeps you happy. And all of this is the fun stuff.
Yeah.
Is that right?
It is. So one is what keeps us who we are is from the backgrounds we came up. He came from a middle class background. I came from a lower middle class background. And, we both seen our parents go through whatever they did. And they never let us feel, like when I grew older, I realized, oh God, my parents must have struggled really hard to send me to this good school. But I think the value of things, the value of money, what true respect means, all of that kind of got established then.
How lovely.
And I'm so glad it did. I am who I am because of the way I was brought up. I'm convinced about it.
100%.
I would have been a very different person had I not been brought up with so much grace, dignity, and just rootedness.
Sure.
So I think that is what holds us down. That is what kind of keeps us where we are.
You know what people don't know, maybe, I don't know, I know, because, when you exhibited, your paintings, that's how I figured that, wow, you have another outlet for your creativity, which is your art. I want to ask you what that does for an artist, because as an actor, I have seen actors only be actors. They can't even, manage themselves. Because they're, I don't know, मतलब वो एक अलग vibe है. But you have the option to dabble in another art form, which is rare. And I want to know how that fills your cup.
At that point, it was one of those multiple, long couple of years where I didn't have work. And it was really driving me up the wall. And I was just frustrated and demotivated and all of it. And I had this creative bomb inside me which needed an outlet. So I said, okay, I want to go to an art school. It's not like I'm making a big deal here. And my kids had moved out by then. They moved out very young because they wanted to train. They were training to be soccer players. So I was like, suddenly I didn't have a purpose. I didn't have anything to do. And I was really going crazy. So I decided to go to this art school. And I remember once having this conversation just before. I said, okay, so I'm taking an admission here, XYZ. This was in Barcelona. Boys were in Sitges, which is like a 1.5 hour train ride from Barcelona. So the first question they said is, are you doing this because we are there?
Of course.
So I was like, no shit. I don't even want to see you all. And they were like, why are you doing all this? So I said, what do you mean, why are you doing all this? You can be a good actor. I said, 1 second. Sorry, I am an actor. No, what I mean is, and they were really young. And they were like, no, what we mean is you could be working every day. You could be making a lot of money. You will be popular in your own space that you will create, whether it's a mother or whatever. You are saying no. Why are you doing this? And then you say that I don't have work. I was like, because I won't be happy doing something I'm not completely convinced about. Anyway, so that is where this thing came. And then I went to this art school. When I went there, I didn't know the language. I didn't have a place. I didn't know anybody.
Wow.
And I lived like a student for the first time. Where you do all by yourself. You make your own meal a night before and you take it. I went to school. All of them had been there for long. They were friends. I was the outsider. And I felt like, oh God, nobody's going to like me and nobody wants to talk to me. Anyway, self-esteem to mashallah. So I was just going through all of it. But it was probably one of the best things I did for myself.
And I was so happy that we spoke about it. Because I have always wanted to ask you this. But as I said, when you're promoting a film or a series,
you can't have all these lamba conversations.
You cannot talk about
Chill
this.
Conversation.
So, but that's amazing because it's so important for artists to know that they can express themselves
Absolutely.
in any way they like. I also wanted to ask you that, do you know when you are hitting, a true note? And because you're so self-aware, Shefali, and I find that to be one of your best qualities, right? But that self-awareness also comes with, very, very acutely aware कि क्या मैं खुद true हूँ.
Yeah.
Okay? And that I have seen in some actors who are great actors could also destroy you. Because
Yeah.
self-awareness is such a double-edged sword.
Yeah.
So my
Either
question,
you start believing I'm totally
yeah,
the thing,
yeah.
or you can go into a self-esteem
Yes.
spiral.
So where are you at on this?
More to the other side.
Oh God. Okay.
Constantly questioning myself.
Hmm.
Constantly. And when this term, hardest critic, yeah, I am my hardest critic. I am terrified, and I don't know whether it's going to work. And when I'm doing a scene, I don't see the monitor.
Yeah.
So I don't see what I have done, but I can hear myself. I can hear her.
Lovely.
So
Yeah.
the moment I've done something wrong,
Mm.
I'll immediately say, 1 second, we need to do another one. Just 1 second. This wasn't. I'm honest because I love what I do, maybe because of that. And that has stayed. If anything, I will always go to the spectrum of doubting myself rather than being overconfident about myself. Always.
And that's horrible.
That is horrible. Yeah, but that also keeps me on my toes.
Yeah,
That's why every time I go in front of the camera, it's like I'm facing the camera for the first time in my life.
Yeah.
It's all of that. And the excitement and the joy of it.
Yeah. And do you think that this is a place where you feel like you could still be doubting? But I feel like the world has no doubts. And do you feel that now, after all these years?
Yeah.
Thank God. Because you're a treasure.
Particularly after Delhi Crime release just now, and I was very scared. I was very, very scared. I did not know if this version of Vartika will land.
Yeah.
I did not know it.
Yeah.
And I was terrified. And I am surprised how intricately people have noticed.
Yes.
Chota stuff.
Yeah. And they're writing.
They're writing, and they love this version of her.
Yeah.
They actually translate into words everything I'm feeling when I'm playing her. They talk about her in first person.
Yes.
Vartika's feeling this. That's why she is like this. They talk and it's amazing. It's just amazing. And honestly, I truly feel blessed. Like, I get a lot of love.
Yeah.
I genuinely get a lot of love and respect.
On one hand, you might not have worked as much as we'd like you to have. But on the other hand, even though the filmography might be terse, it's got like the greatest hits. So that's also a good thing, because then there is a Monsoon Wedding, which is a groundbreaking film for Indian cinema.
Yeah.
And I feel like there are versions of this film that even attempt to be made today. I feel like there was a film which was Highway, for example. And it was a great performance by Alia. But for people who watch Monsoon Wedding, you kind of knew what that felt like. And you did it for the first time. That at that point it was completely new. So thank you for Monsoon Wedding, I guess. That's all I'm trying to say.
And just thank you to Meera for making this amazing film.
And I want to come to a more recent film that is on YouTube, which I think people should really enjoy watching.
Juice.
And it's Juice.
What a film. What a film. What a film. And what a maker.
It is so good.
It's so good.
So
such a good film.
So that film, okay, you guys have to watch it. Like, please go watch it.
Yeah, seriously have to watch it.
I want to ask you.
And it's going to take 15 minutes. But it's like, it talks about, you'll identify with it. You'll see that whole pattern. You'll suddenly remember all those patterns playing out in your house and how you never saw it that way. After you finish, I'll tell you one very interesting comment that had come after Juice.
Please.
So somebody, and it was a guy, he was a young guy, and he, I think on Twitter or something, I wasn't on Insta at that point of time, and he had written, आज तक सुना था माँ के खाने में प्यार होता है, आज पता चला माँ के खाने में गुस्सा होता है. And it was like, I get goosebumps. It was such an apt, simply put, but poignant thought.
Yeah.
And so many people were like, we've seen this happen in our house. now I'm telling my mom that don't do it.
Yeah.
It's like, but it's just so, and such a beautiful film.
But
Such a
that
beautiful
film
film.
reminded me of one of your greatest strengths, which is that I think Shefali Shah does better when she doesn't have the words.
I
You
love
know?
it when there are no words.
Yeah.
I genuinely.
And not to say that the words, are not, you're fantastic with the words too, but in those scenes where you don't have to say anything is where you shine. I think that is a pattern with Delhi Crime, that is a pattern with Monsoon Wedding, that is with Darlings, which you had a lot of fun with. It's all in the eyes and it's all in the. So, do you, I don't know, I don't even know if I have a question here really. It's just an observation. But is that exciting for you? Because that for you will be a space to play.
I love it. Okay, so it's a joke. Even on Delhi Crime set, it was a joke. Like Rasika keeps saying, she comes and she starts distributing lines. कि ये ना तुम बोलो, मुझे नहीं बोलना. ये ना Bhupendra should say this. This is not right for Vartika to say. I actually do that because I genuinely feel that if you can say something in 4 words, don't use it.
Yeah.
And if you can say something in 2 words, don't use 4.
Mm.
And if you can say something without any words, don't use any words. I have the privilege of a camera. It's going to catch the smallest of things.
Yeah.
And one of the most important parts of an actor is to react.
Yeah.
Just listen and react.
Mm.
And if you are there in all your honesty and completely consumed by that moment and being that person, not Shefali, it has to show on your face. It has to show. It can't not show in your eyes. And it's a universal language.
Sure.
You don't need the subtitles for it.
Sure.
So I think it's beautiful. I just think, and there is so much that.
Yeah. There was a point where you said that, there were many reasons why. There was a point where you didn't get the roles that you wanted to, but I'll give you a parallel. There were women at that time who were also actors who were willing to do things that were not them. Like, for example, and I'm just saying this as a observation, like I remember Vidya, right? During that time, Vidya did Hey Baby or all of these roles where she was heavily uncomfortable. She didn't look like herself. She was not really being who she really was. And she acknowledges it beautifully, saying that, you know what, I don't know what the hell I was doing at that point.
She's such a rock star. I love her.
And my question to you is that, did you at that time just say no?
I never got the offers of a heroine. Never. Because I think I started only somewhere else, na? Wrong number. Like, Asha, the thing is, I did Satya, okay?
Yeah.
Then because of that, Monsoon Wedding happened. Like Meera, I remember calling me. I get a call from Meera Nair. She starts talking to me in Hindi and she says, "Mujhe nahi pata aapko English aati hai ki nahi." And I was like, Meera, I can speak in English because she's seen Satya.
Yeah.
And Monsoon Wedding happens. When it's going to release, as soon as I finish shooting for it, I decide to get married and have babies. Okay, so when it's dropping, when it released, I was full-blown pregnant. So there was no plan of action. Never the intent of becoming a heroine. I didn't know any better. I didn't have a goal. I didn't have the ambition.
Unbelievable.
And so those kind of parts never came to me. Which is quite sad actually.
It's damn sad, yeah.
I mean, nobody asked me to run around.
Ma'am, आप एक काम कीजिए ना, आप ये tight dress पहन लीजिए.
And run around.
And run around, please. Maybe we'll make that happen now.
Yeah.
Ironically.
Actually, not a bad idea.
Ironically, it could happen.
It
You
could.
never know. No, but so my question to you right now is that, are there days that you ever in your life, ever one day, have you not felt like acting?
No.
Beautiful. Yeah.
I don't think so. Even, like, very rarely have I worked with people who are jerks. Very rarely. I think probably one odd film or something. But even then, it never crossed my mind that I'm going to quit this and never do this in my life. No.
So you pace this as you would?
Yeah.
Yeah, no?
Yeah. I mean, when I did that 1 year after DC, I had like 6 things in that year. And I was hoping that this is how life is going to be. I'll be working round the clock.
Yeah.
Sadly, it was fluke. But I would love to do that. But at the same time, if I have to wait, I'll wait. It's not always easy.
Yeah.
Even today, it's not easy for me to wait. But also, maybe because it's come after so long that there is this constant thing of, what if this is my last one? What if I never get offered something even more beautiful than this?
Yeah.
It's constantly that.
Yeah, because I feel like the filmography, every time I look at it, I'm like, ठीक है यार, आपने जितना किया है, as I said, greatest hits. And I feel like that is honestly just a reward.
And more than hits, like there could be films which haven't done well, but what are these films to be a part of?
Yeah.
Like last year, Gandhi, My Father. I mean, wow.
Yeah. And then Neelam Mehra Forever.
Yes.
Oh my God. So, have you watched an actor or a role recently who you can't get out of your head? Like, who are you watching? Are you a watcher? Do you watch a lot of stuff? Okay, so
A lot.
Okay.
I couldn't get over the show Adolescence. I couldn't get over the show. I can't get over the performances. I can't get over the writing. Recently, I wrote to both the creators
Wow.
on DM. Of course, they're not going to read it, but I was like, listen, I just had to, after much contemplation, I was like, I just have to say it. I just have to say it. What is this? Every part of filmmaking, that show is an institution.
So true.
Direction, the camera work, the writing, the screenplay, the performances, spectacular. I don't remember being so inspired
So true.
in a very long time. You see something and you love it.
Yeah.
But you watch something and say, this is what I want to do.
Yeah.
This is the kind of work I want to do. So I was totally blown. Another, I hated the character. I was completely grossed out. But then it obviously means that the actor did such a good job of it. Was Monster, the third season.
Yeah.
And I should have stopped, but I just had to see what happens.
Yeah.
And it's very, very difficult to swallow. It's a very disturbing show.
It's a very disturbing
It's very
show.
disturbing.
Yeah.
Then yesterday we saw Frankenstein.
Oh, you did?
And
Okay.
what a beautiful version of it.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God, this is and I don't like horror films and all that.
Same.
But it's not a horror film.
Mm.
And how beautifully has he the film is, it's so spectacular. So yeah, but anything I get very I'm like, oh my God, this is beautiful. And I get really affected.
Yes.
I feel
so true.
yesterday after a long time I got the time
Like
to
मैं बैठ के
आज मैं I'll sit
देखूंगी.
in my TV room and I'll watch.
One of my last questions to you has to be.
बस खत्म.
Oh, sorry. I thought we did okay.
No, I know.
I
I'm
hope
just
you're enjoying
kidding.
yourself.
Yes.
There is the whole you need to be seen, and I know you said about your social media, and there is the whole pap culture. And as someone who's obviously part of the industry, and I say it with a lot of irony, because you are not like that at all. You've seen it so up close. You've seen it with others. Okay, what do you think of the culture? Okay, of being famous first, and then your film will release.
Honestly, I don't think anything about it. If I was supposed to do it, I would say no.
Yeah.
And then it's people's choices. I don't even know whether the need to be famous came first or this culture came first.
Yeah.
Honestly, I haven't given it thought.
Okay.
Because it's of no consequence to me.
Yeah.
Really. It's
So,
no consequence
But
to
I'm
me.
sure that when you go out in the streets,
I
forget
went-
the paps. I'm saying people recognize you, right?
I was going to Delhi or something, and there were paps at the airport. I suddenly don't know what to do with myself. I don't know whether I'm supposed to walk right, left. Ma'am, idhar aao. And they were called, and I was standing there like, what am I supposed? Where am I supposed to go?
Yeah.
How does this thing work?
Yeah.
I am so bad. I can't tell you how bad I am. I become so awkward. It's not funny. I suddenly go like,
That's insane.
yeah. And then you can imagine the pictures that go out.
Yeah.
Matlab, horrible.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
pathetic at it.
Thank you.
So I don't know how to do. I don't know how to
do this.
I don't know how to do. Fair. And acha, one day my son said, Mom, you know what? You'll be caught at the you'll be clicked at the airport. You have to be well dressed and the airport look. I said, what? What are you talking? No, you have to be well dressed and you have to look cool and all that. I said, listen, guys, I can either be comfortable or cool. I choose comfortable. I can't be beautiful and comfortable together. I will wear my pajama. I have the same uniform. I will wear black pajama, black t-shirt, black shoes, and one big backpack which is bigger than me. And
Correct.
they're like, what is this Purana Bhatija backpack? I said, listen, it can hold my puppies. It's so big.
Yeah.
And I love it.
Yeah.
So they do have a point of view on how I should do things. But I think they've given up. I think on a certain level, they're just like,
They're like, Jane do. We
Matlab
can't do
jaane
anything.
do. I'm telling you, they
Yeah.
had a proper input on how I should work on my social media and what should I say and how I should do it. And I can't put up these. I was like, listen.
Look at
dude,
these
I can't
professionals
do
you
it.
raised.
I was like, I can't, beta, nahi
You're
ho
like,
sakta.
तुम मेरे हो?
हाँ, मतलब why? Achha, then the only thing I said, listen, you don't want me to put your photographs? I'll agree. बाकी मुझे मत सिखा, मुझे नहीं आता है. So either I can be myself or I can't be. I don't know a
Yeah.
midway of doing something.
Please always be yourself. Because I'll tell you that there are too many of us who are just waiting to watch you act. And I think that that is the most important thing here, right? For an artist, it's always about, are people also liking it as much as I am?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And that's what it is really.
Yeah.
Because I love it, but I need to ensure that even you, because
Yeah.
you're investing time. And I think what people also should know is that when we engage with art, we're actually doing it so voluntarily, right?
Yeah.
हमें कोई पैसे नहीं मिल रहे फिल्म
नहीं.
देखने के लिए.
Yeah.
हमें adolescents देखने के लिए कोई पैसे नहीं मिल रहे.
Exactly.
We're doing it because we
We love
volunteer.
it.
We love it.
Yeah.
And you're a part of that for so many of us. So thanks for keeping the standards high.
Hi, I'm Shefali Shah and you're watching me on Just to Film Me.